Welcome to 2-Minute AI Tips, a micro-series from the Revenue Rewired podcast. I'm Sarah Shepard, and twice a week I'll share sharp, strategic insights to help you use AI smarter without the fluff. Let's go. Welcome to our twice-weekly 2-Minute AI Tip. AI doesn't automate trust. Let's get one thing straight. AI can send the email, but it can't build a relationship. And if you're automating touch points that should be trust points, you're not saving time, you're eroding credibility. We've all seen it. Personalized messages that are not personal, hello name, follow-ups that feel robotic, sales outreach that looks smart but lands flat. Why? Because AI doesn't understand timing, tone, or nuance the way a human does. It doesn't know when to pause or when to pick up the phone instead of sending yet another email. We've started drawing a hard line at StringCan where we let AI assist but never replace the moments that build trust. It's a first impression, a critical decision point, or a conversation that changes the relationship. That's human territory. The key takeaway: automate tasks, not trust. AI can open the door, but only you can build the kind of relationship that keeps clients walking through it. Well, I really hope you enjoyed this 2-minute AI tip. And if you'd like more information, go ahead and reach us at podcast@stringcaninteractive.com or follow the show. Have a great day.